today I'm going to take this is actually a trunk from a cedar elm sapling. I say sapling, it's probably 4 years old. Oh, it's older than that if you count the growth rings. So it's about 17 years old. Again, cedar elm trunk. This was right above the ground. This was growing over by my pond. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it into a French rolling pin for my wife's best friend. She asked for one. A friend of mine asked me to make her French style rolling pin, and I found this piece. It's actually the bottom of the trunk of a piece of, the spalting makes it look like hackberry. The bark is definitely not hackberry. I believe this one was growing by the pond, and that would make it cedar elm. So I'm just taking it to rough shape. I'm going to take the main cylinder like I did the last one down to 1 3/4 inches. Tapering down the last few inches of 4 or 5 inches to down to 1 inch. So, it's not quite right yet. I may need to make some adjustments, up or down or one way or the other. I may need to bring this up a little, and I will do that while I still have room. I may need to do the same thing down here. We'll see. What I need to do, I need to take this up to there, and I need to bring that to there. Now let's try it. That is just over 1 3/4, not by much. Leaving me a little bit of a fudge factor. Not a whole lot, just a little. Okay, so now I take it all down to the same. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sanding stick that's about yay long, and when I get that made I'll come back. Okay, so I took this 3/4 inch piece of oak that I know is flat and I know it's straight, and I glued a piece of 100 grit sandpaper to it. So now all I have to do, I've got my mask on and my dust collector running. Just run this back and forth. and it will even this up. And I'm watching right here, I can still see where the parting tool went in, so I'm not quite down to shape yet. But it's getting there and it's getting it pretty smooth. So we just keep going. And I'm keeping the sandpaper moving to a different spot. This helps keep it from clogging up. Almost there. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now I want to take the ends down to 1 inch. My 20-inch mark is right there. Perfect. I think I'm going to come in 4 inches. So from here to here is 20. So I come in 4. I come into about right there. So I come in 4. Come into about right here. This is my 4-inch mark. Down here. I'm going to hold like that. You're going to this. I'm going to go. Okay, let's see if we can get this sanded up. Got me a fresh batch of discs. That was 180, 240. 320. 400. 600. That is really, really smooth. Nice, nice, nice. Now I'm going to make my end cuts a little bit deeper. finish cutting these off at the bandsaw, and then I will bring them back over here and sand up the ends. I'm not going to use Axe abrasive paste on this. I sanded it to 600 to smoothen up, but I am going to put a coat of polish and restoring paste on here because it's food safe. And I will tell her how to care for it in the future, which is just applying some mineral oil, whatever she wants. That's nice, very nice. Let the friction melt this in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. What do you think? I like it a lot. Alright, let me go knock these ends off. I only sanded the ends to 320. That's a good enough. See, it looks pretty good. There you have one nice little rolling pin from the trunk of a sapling. It's been down for about a year, and so I don't think this is going to move much. At least I hope it doesn't. I think the knots give it character. It's got a little bit of spalting in it, but I protected it with the oil, so I think it'll be just fine. Well, here's the rolling pin, 1 3/4 inches in diameter, 20 inches long overall. You got about 16 inches in here to work with. I hope she likes it. I think it came out nice. I think it's pretty. Some people might say, oh, it's too pretty to use. No such thing. First turning project of 2023. And I'm really happy with it.